Today we're going to explore the concept of how you can model with your students crossing the decade to 1,000. So we're going to start with the number 999, and we're going to pose the question to our students, what happens if we add one more to 999? So then hopefully by this time, after all these years of practice, the students will be able to let you know that we have 10 ones here in the ones place, but we can only have up to 9, so we need to make a trade. So we're going to trade our 10 ones for a 10. But now we have 10 tens. So we know that we can't have 10 tens in the tens place, so we're going to trade our 10 tens for 100. But now we have 10 hundreds, so we need to pose the idea of what are we going to trade these 10 hundreds for, and that is when we introduce the 1,000 block. Making sure that they see the connection that 10 hundreds is the same thing as 1,000. So we're going to put our 1,000 block here. And then we're going to show that our number 999 has become 1,000, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. You're going to want to continue to explore as to what happens if I add one more. So now I have 1,000, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 1 one. And make sure that the students know how to read this number, which is 1,001, not 1,001. So it's important that you make sure that students are pronouncing that correctly. In addition, you can practice other examples of crossing the decade, like giving them the number 1,099, where they have to form 1,100, or the number 1,199, where they add 1 to form 1,200.